FieldLink 2025.3 now enables the export of multiple section boxes. So smaller data sets with the same millimeter or 16th inch accuracy can be shared easily. Here we can see we have 4 section boxes. To export these, we'd simply go to Scan, Export, and then underneath these section box settings, select the section boxes we want to export. They will all be in the correct position when imported into Revit, AutoCAD, or Connect, Tekla, or really any other CAD or BIM platform. Only non-structured is supported, so E57, RCP, and LAS will all work. After exporting, those will come into like AutoCAD, as you see here, and we'll have those different section boxes turned on or off as needed. And then we can detail so we can fabricate. Thank you, and please reach out to your nearest building point representative if you have any questions.